It's a little like food, yeah, that's alright. When I see it, she's still my side. And we're standing on the curb of the parking lot, talking about our lives and the futures we've got. And she says, don't you worry, you're only 19, so why you in such a hurry?
Nandito na rin kami. Nakarating na rin kami ng asawa ko sa Universal Studios. Lego. Ayun na, yung globo, yung famous na globo. Daanan lang natin. Tapos pasok na tayo sa loob.
Mag-picture na tayo kasi aga pa naman.
But the girl says that she might just have me wanted. We're in Zolan away under a parking lot.
Napanood lang ng asawa ko to. Pasok na kami sa Universal Studios. Nakikita rin sa likod yung globo. Magkano nga ulit yung ticket nito? Parang 3-1. 3-1 isa. Yun lang ang mahal. 3-1 isa, no? Agoda namin kinuha. Sa Agoda, yan. Universal Studio, Singapore.
It's a little bit light, but when I'm with you, it just feels right. I say I've been running around, I'm exhausted, but when I'm with you, it feels like I've been in a sick's house. She said I don't really mind being put under for you. I'll be waiting for this.
Nandito na kami sa Universal Studios. Saan natin unahin, darling?
Far, far away.
Kingdom Far Far Away kasi malayo daw yun.
Kasi malayo ang far, far away. Nakapasok na kami ng Universal Studios. Ganyan siya sa loob. Tadang! Ganda. Punta muna kami ng far far away kasi yun yung medyo nasa malayo kasi baka konti pa yung tao. Di ba, boss? Pagbuhay mo din ako, boss. Daming tao, ayun yung entrada. Doon yung entrance.
Ay, may Kingdom Far Far Away!
Wow! Kingdom! Dona!
Ay!
Ayun yung far far away, oh. Saya-saya ng asawa ko. Excited siya.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start.
Kami sa area ng far far away. Castillo ni Fiona sa palabas na Shrek. Yung asawa ko, tuwan-tuwa yan. Baka manood kami mamaya kay Donkey. Ayun, may 11 AM. 11 a.m. si Donkey. Si Puss in Boots to. Kaso sarado siya ngayon eh. Mag-try na kami mag-rides. Ito yung una naming rides. Doon galing yung ano, yung castle.
Ito siguro iwan ko to, Lord. Ito, Lord.
Huwag na siguro. Bale, di kami naka-video dun sa rides kasi bawal din yung camera or yung cellphone. So, after nun, kumain muna kami, nagpalamig muna kami dahil lang sobrang init. Dito kami ngayon sa restaurant sa Shrek.
Back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm, take me back to the start, if only for a moment.
Hi. Good to see you. Hello.
Hello.
And welcome, everyone. Welcome to the one and only Hook's Nightclub, home to everyone's favorite noble steed, Donkey. Now, I've got a question for you. Are you guys ready for Donkey? Yeah! I said, are you ready? Very nice, as this is an interactive show, so get ready to laugh, joke, and talk to Donkey as any of you could if you wanted to. Now, let's get some housekeeping out of the way. My name is Raul, and I will be your host. Very nice to meet you. That's as low as I can bow. It's so nice to see you all. We're like old...
Never be alone with his ever-loving best friend. He's live in living color and in your face. Put your hands together for Donkey! I feel good. I knew that I would die. Hey, I feel good. What?
After nga namin kay Donkey ay natapos na namin yung Far Far Away. So, bale, ang susunod namin ay ang Jurassic World. Pero bago ang lahat, bago namin iwan yung Far Far Away Kingdom, yan, gawa-gawa muna kami ng mga video-video.
Velociraptors have a large, curved claw on their second toe. While sometimes dinosaurs
Lagyan mo yung ulo mo sa loob. Oh, labas naman. Labas naman.
Bale, isa nga ito sa mga na-ride namin dito sa Jurassic World, yung parang pterodactyl ride. Meron pang isang ride na hindi na namin pinilahan kasi sobrang haba. Ayun, makikita nyo yun yung nasa taas. Bale, eto naman, nakokontrol mo naman kung gaano ka kataas lumipad at kung gaano mo gustong bumaba. So, na-enjoy naman namin. Bale, ang susunod na namin ay ang Ancient Egypt. Talaga nga naman na mamamanga ka dahil ang ganda ng mga rebulto rito sa Ancient Egypt. Ang problema lang nung pumunta kami, sobrang init talaga. Grabe ang tindi. Isa rin dito sa mga ride na nandito ay yung Mummy Ride na parang mataas na roller coaster. Bale, hindi na rin namin nasubukan. Pero meron kaming isang ride na nasubukan dito, yung parang para sa mga archaeologist ride na parang tutulungan mo. So, parang pambata lang din naman siya. Bye-bye!
Ako nga pala ang driver ko ngayon. So, dadali namin kayo dito sa, namin.
Archaeologist ka ngayon, Darl.
Dito sa aming tawag dito?
Ano?
Bukid.
Bukid.
Pero kami dito mga inaalagaan, kambing, baka, kalapate, yan.
Tapos may magugulat pala, bigla ka magugulat, no? Wala, may hipo. Hipo, oh.
So kung mapapansin nyo po, parang medyo dito, rough road. Paakyat po tayo dito. Hindi naman talaga ako marunong mag-drive.
Hindi naman nalata nagdadrive ka?
Hindi, nag-drive ako Oo. Pang ilang na natin rides ko dahil pangatlo.
Pangatlong rides na namin to. Uy, may cobra. Actually, nagpapahinga lang kami.
Nakakapagod talaga.
Napagod na kami.
Nakakapagod na ako. Ayun o, tignan mo kung paano sila pinabalik-bag.
Eh, wala ka pa naman nababalita ang nalaglag eh. Wow, musok yung mata. Ang galing.
Hey! Dami sila kay kanina yung ano namin sinakyan o.
Ah, yun na namin sinakyan.
Yan. Ako din nag-drive doon kanina. Masaya naman. Nakakapagod lang. Parang saya na ano namin nata, nasulit namin yung Shrek. Yung far
Ayun na yung Shrek.
Kingdom far away.
Ay! Kunyari natakot tayo.
Estimated whereabouts or fame. But beware of the many dangers and obstacles that may await you along the road.